I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing one clear niche and recording a batch of 10-20 short clips. Focus on 15-60-second formats because TikTok rewards watch time. Once done, optimize the first 2 seconds to hook viewers, add readable captions, and include a direct call to action. Make sure to test 3 different video types to see what clicks. You're launching with content velocity, not perfection. The goal is consistent posting and quick iteration based on real engagement signals. You now focus on growth and early monetization. Ride trends, but always add an original hook to stand out. Post 1 to 3 times daily to feed the algorithm and gather data fast. Once you have steady views, direct traffic to a monetization path, a link in bio, scheduled live streams for gifts, or specific affiliate offers tied to the niche. Make sure to track CTR, watch time, and follower growth, and then double down on formats that win those metrics for compounding revenue. You finish by scaling and diversifying income streams while troubleshooting common problems. Repurpose top clips to reels and shorts and consider hiring an editor to increase output. This raises RPM without burning you out. Add brand deals, creator fund income, merch, affiliate links, and regular paid live streams to stabilize earnings. If reach drops, make sure to test new hooks, adjust thumbnails and posting times, and check caption keywords. These quick experiments usually restore momentum within days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.